Kris Gethin in the Caged Muscle kitchen, cooking up a muscle building smoothie for y'all. Now, I've got some of my favorite ingredients here. This is a muscle building recipe that I like to have. If I'm not going to be eating a meal, I'll put together this very convenient shake. And in this shake is going to go almond butter, re-caged, frozen fruits, almond milk and oats, and a banana. So I'll start off with putting everything into this NutriBullet. So I've got oats. I've got a cup of oats there. I've got a cup of almond milk in there. That gives it a nice creamy texture. Then I'm going to put 1 scoop of re-caged in here, fast digesting protein, some frozen fruit. So I've got strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, and then 1 banana. So I'm getting good antioxidants, I'm getting magnesium, potassium, and then I'm finishing off with some healthy fats coming from the 1 tablespoon here of almond butter. You can use peanut butter, whatever. Just try to make sure it comes in its natural form. So none of the crap that you'll usually find that has like canola oil and additional sugars and whatnot. So this is going to be a nice thick smoothie. You can add more almond milk to it if you want it to have a little bit more of a juicy texture, but I like to have it thick. And that's about 30 seconds there. So now I'm going to take that out. And you can drink this straight out of the NutriBullet if you've got one. You can put it in a glass like that. Look at that. You beauty. So there you have a healthy, high protein muscle building shake that you can take anytime. A lot of people use the inconvenience of being in a meeting or traveling or whatever. This is very convenient. You can take this wherever you want, you know. And it's an easy way for you to get down the additional calories. If you find it hard to chew and take in so much food because you're trying to put on muscle, you're trying to put on size, drinking your meals is always going to be the more convenient and superior way for you forward. Cheers.